So, yeah, it's doing the same check engine light. P0300 to 301 all the way to 4, which is misfires. Just filled up, so I'm gonna see possibly it could be that. Might go away. If not, I'll have to clear the code. Don't know why I forgot to do that. But yeah. You guys are on the sunroof, so couldn't get it to go into the trunk window, and windshield would not work either, so sunroof it is. Had to open it up so it doesn't vibrate or anything. hopefully someone knows. If not, it's alright. I'll figure it out at one point. But I am in school, so I might be able to take it there and get it to work. Since it is a trade school, I'm able to bring my own personal vehicles in and work on them there. So, hopefully it's just that. I don't know. And the door switch is freaking out again. No. Alright, well, door switch is probably breaking. I'll see you guys.